I don't know if you can hear me. I'm going to get close here for a second because we're out at Pensacola Beach, and it's got to be at least 20-mile-an-hour winds. Waves are big, but they're not huge like they were that one time I came out here. But I like Pensacola Beach, but I'm going to turn around. You can see here a little bit of that. Please like and subscribe to my videos, please. Thank you. Yes, zoom in on that right there. Pensacola Beach. Hopefully you can hear me because the wind is extremely strong. Seems like it's always windy down here. I had to walk away from we were at this bar restaurant type thing over here and had some sliders. Back out. Had some sliders and some drinks. It's called the Dock. It's right on Pensacola Beach. And we got crabs right next door, and there's a couple of restaurants down this way that we've been to before. On the other side of that public beach. As it says public beach. On the other side of that is a good restaurant down there, right by the pier that goes out. We get over here to a good spot where I can sit down and take some pictures of people. Let's see if I can get some people in here. See a little bit of the waves. There's not much out there. Let's see, get me the pier. I want to show you this. Every Tuesday night they have music here in the park, and they have it right off this pavilion here. Got all the seats right there and stuff. People sit down. I want to grab a spot here at this beach. I'll sit in one of these areas over here, but I hope the wind's not too bad. But across the street there, they have a bay over there, and they have some places to eat over there too. That's pretty cool. This is the main beach in this area. Volleyball games. This is my wife out there walking, talking to her daughter. Talks to her daughter almost every day. Alright. The waves. I'm trying to hide behind this box right here. Have a seat. I don't see anybody out there. Let's see if we can zoom in on some people on the pier. They fish right off that pier. It's like $6-7 to get on the pier. But there's a good little restaurant. I'll go slow here. When you're zoomed out that much, it's hard to tape. On the other side of that pier over there. That wind's so strong, it's hard to keep those little tent things up. Not a good day to be taping out here. I'll probably leave it like that. Please like and subscribe to my videos, please. I would appreciate it. We do a lot more when we get back this spring and summer. There's my wife. Kids playing in the water, that's kind of fun. Some good waves for kids. Oh, you got that one open. Number 3 is open. I think it's the only one that's open. Number 4 down there and number 2 back this way is not open. Let's see if I can catch some of these waves. Waves can get pretty big over here though. Alright, I'm gonna let it go right there. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.